Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Children, I had given you the homework of reading lesson number 5, right? I hope you all have done it. And in today's class, we're going to start a new lesson. That is lesson number 5, learn to use computer mouse. Children, you have already learnt about the computer mouse in lesson number 2. In lesson number 2, while discussing parts of computer, we know a little bit about computer mouse, and from this lesson we are going to learn more about the mouse, like identify different buttons of a computer mouse, and we will learn how to hold the mouse properly, and we are going to understand mouse actions like clicking and dragging. Children, as you all know, mouse is an input device. It is also called pointing device, and it is attached to the computer with wire or wirelessly. Children, nowadays in the market, wireless mouse are available. It helps to point and select objects on the monitor. Children, you can also use it for playing games and to draw pictures on the computer. When you move the mouse in any direction, a small arrow, as you can see here in the picture, on the computer screen also moves in the same direction. And this arrow is called the mouse pointer. As you move the mouse in the particular direction, the mouse pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. You can move the mouse to the desired location on the screen. Earlier, the computer mouse had a roller ball at the bottom for the movement. Nowadays, a mouse does not have any ball at the bottom, but it uses the infrared light instead of a ball for the movement. And this type of mouse is called an optical mouse. Nowadays, everybody uses optical mouse for their computer. The pad on which we put the mouse and move it is known as mouse pad. While using the mouse, you should place it on a mouse pad. The mouse pad makes the mouse move better, and it also keeps the mouse free from dust. A mouse is a very small in size as compared to other parts of the computer. Right? If you compare computer mouse with other parts of the computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse is very small in size. Right? And it usually has two buttons on it. One on the left side called left mouse button and another on the right side called right mouse button. You can see here in the picture, right? You can press the left and right mouse buttons for using the mouse. The working of left mouse button and right mouse button are different. You're going to learn it in the next class. Between the two buttons, there is a wheel called scroll wheel. And you can use this scroll wheel to move up and down into the page. Whenever you are writing something in the document and that page is full and you are continuing in the next page, so scroll wheel helps you to make the page up and down. There are other types of mouse also available, but nowadays people are not using those. This type of mouse is called a scroll mouse, and this is popularly used mouse. Next, we will see how to hold the mouse. Holding of the mouse is very important. You should hold the mouse properly. What you have to do, you have to rest your palm on the top of the mouse. Children, look at the picture carefully, and I'm going to explain here step by step how to use the mouse, how to hold the mouse properly. You have to rest your palm on the top of the mouse and then place your index finger on the left mouse button. Place your middle finger on the right mouse buttons. As we have discussed, on the mouse there are two buttons, right? One is left and one is right. In that, you have to keep your index finger on the left mouse button and keep your middle finger on the right mouse button, and then hold the mouse gently with your thumb on the left side and last two fingers on the right side of the mouse. Okay, so this is the correct and proper way of holding the mouse. If you hold your mouse properly, you can use it properly. If you learn to use the computer mouse properly, it will be very easier to work on the computer. So holding of the mouse is very, very important. You should learn it properly. Children, this is all for today. I hope you understood all the topics we discussed in today's class. I suggest you to watch the video 2 times at least and read the lesson again. Children, in today's class, we discussed how to hold the mouse, right? And we have also discussed about the mouse buttons. A mouse has two buttons, left mouse button and right mouse button. And in the middle of these two buttons, there is a wheel called scroll wheel, right? And to hold the mouse properly, what you have to do, you have to rest your palm on the top of the mouse and place your index finger on the left mouse button and place your middle finger on the right mouse button and hold the mouse gently with your thumb on the left side, right? So you read the lesson and watch the video 2 times. Bye children, have a nice day.